Hey guys, it's Pencil Boy here, and today I'll be teaching myself how to draw the impossible circle. Hope you enjoy. The first thing I do is print off the impossible shape. Next, I have a good look at it. The first thing I notice is this fisheye in the middle of the circle. Then I notice two parallel lines at the top and bottom. Next, I mark out the beginning of the spiral lines. Now that I know what the impossible circle includes, I go ahead and do some sketches. The first thing I do is draw that cat's eye. This is my base. Next, I try and do the spirals, but I muck it up. My next attempt is much more successful, starting and finishing both spiral lines correctly. Next, I try a more refined sketch. Again, starting with the cat's eye shape. Once I finish that, I start the spiral lines, starting at the top of the cat's eye and the bottom of the cat's eye. And there we go, the more refined sketch. But I'm not finished yet. There's a lot of things I could have done better, like the line work and the shape. It's a bit too squished. Anyway, I'll try again. And there we go, the final drawing. Now that I've taught myself, I can teach you guys at home. So, grab your pencil and paper, and let's start. And of course you start by drawing a cat's eye. You've heard me say it before. Next, you draw the spiral lines, starting at the top, wrapping right round, keeping parallel with the inside line, and all the way down to the bottom. Next, take the other side of the cat's eye, the bottom of the cat's eye, and spiral it up, remembering to keep it parallel with the inside line. Now keep wrapping this line around the circle. And join it up at the bottom. Now do the same with the second spiral line. Again, keeping it parallel with the inside lines. And there we go, add a bit of shading and you're finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit long and different to the normal video, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. If you liked it, like, subscribe, comment what you want me to learn next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.